Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you. Hyundai has few crossovers in its lineup, but all of them are getting a makeover. This year, the automaker began selling the new subcompact Kona and will bring out a facelifted Tucson in the fall. Meanwhile, Hyundai is completely revamping the Santa Fe. Replacing the midsize, two-row Santa Fe Sport, the new Santa Fe seats up to 5 passengers while offering them more modern amenities than the old model. But has Hyundai made a more visually compelling crossover? The Santa Fe's front face is an attention grabber because it's so different than that of its predecessor. Taking after the smaller Kona, the new Santa Fe features a split-light design. LED daytime running lights are positioned above the LED headlights, unlike traditional cars which put the two together. The grille takes on a new shape, funneling down from a silver bar that encases the top lights. Although it replaces the Santa Fe Sport, the new model is actually a bit bigger. It measures 2.8 inches longer and 0.4 inch wider, and it has a wheelbase that's 2.6 inches longer. You can sort of see the difference in size between the two models by looking at their side profiles. And while the Santa Fe Sport had a sloping roofline and wedge-shaped window profile, the 2019 model appears to have a more upright back end. Moving to the rear, we can see the Hyundai Santa Fe has updated taillights. They're not as droopy as before, and are connected by a silver bar. Once again, the back end appears a bit more upright, and it also features more character lines, one of which runs right below the rear window. Both models feature a spoiler that flows down from the roof. New screens comprise some of the biggest interior updates on the Santa Fe. The instrument cluster display has been redesigned, and the new model also features a head-up display that projects key information on the windshield in front of the driver. Also notice a new center infotainment screen that sits on the dash. The array of buttons below the screen has been reorganized to take up less space. The cup holders are now positioned in a vertical fashion to the right of the shifter, unlike the old model that arranges the cup holders horizontally below the gear stalk. In case you were wondering what happened to the 3-row Santa Fe, Hyundai will keep selling the old generation version under the name Santa Fe XL. Eventually, Hyundai will bring out a new 3-row SUV, although we haven't seen this model yet. Do you think the 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe is refreshing or revolting? Let us know your thoughts on comments. Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you.